The federal government is warning about XRP. This is so big of a deal, guys, that we had to go ahead and make one video just discussing it and going into so much detail because if the federal government is warning about XRP, you can just imagine the price fluctuation with XRP because of either fears or hype because of this news. So we're going to go into this news. Is it positive? Is it negative? How it's going to impact XRP? And of course, make sure you watch until the end of the video. Nonetheless, guys, I'm not a financial or legal advisor. Hit that like button, smash it, absolutely destroy it. Comment your thoughts down below, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into today's crazy news, and let's get started. Crypto price predictions. Serious Fed warning issued over Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. And this is what it says. It says, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies prices have soared over the last year, partly due to the US Federal Reserve policy of ultra-low interest rates and huge cash injections into the financial system. It continues on by saying Fed Chair Jerome Powell, last week nominated for another 4-year term by President Joe Biden, has overseen the biggest monetary stimulus program in U.S. history to help offset the catastrophic economic effects on the COVID-19 pandemic. With Bitcoin and crypto prices booming, along with the stock market and many other assets, now billionaire crypto investor Mike Novogratz has warned Powell could trigger a Bitcoin and crypto market meltdown in 2022 as he acts to curb runaway inflation that's leaped to a 30-year high. So let's summarize what this actually means in simplified language. What it basically means is the government of the United States is not going to be printing as much money. They're not going to be going ahead and giving stimulus checks like they were in the past and when COVID first started, and of course when we first went into lockdowns. They're not going to be doing all those stuff that help to boost up the economy, or at least keep it at a standstill. And this time what they're going to do is, especially if we're going into another COVID lockdown because of the new variant of COVID, Omicron, which is actually 100% vaccine resistant. So basically the vaccine has no value on it. If you have taken the vaccine, this virus can still come and it will impact your immunity and you can still die or go to the ICU because of it. But what they're trying to say is, because they were giving all these stimulus checks, they were not able to go ahead and, get everybody to work again, especially since the loss of jobs. They're giving these stimulus checks to help, and a lot of people are taking these checks, and instead of using all of it for living expenses, they were putting a lot of it into cryptocurrencies and other investments like stocks. And so what they're saying is, this time, especially if we go into lockdown, we're not going to be doing any of this stimulus check ideas. So if you go ahead and you lose your job then, and you have some crypto investments, we're not going to give you anything to make you live. We're not going to give you any stimulus checks. You're going to have two options. Either you're going to have to be able to find a way to maintain your work, even though there's going to be a major cut in all industries because the supply is going to decrease significantly, or you're going to have to go ahead and start using your savings, which are most likely going to be invested into either crypto or stocks or other assets. And so that's going to cause a massive decrease in the cryptocurrency market. And one of the main ones that they're talking about, because these are the most invested cryptocurrencies, are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Solana, and Binance or BNB. So they're saying these are going to be the most impacted because there is the biggest market volume in these cryptocurrencies. So this is very important to highlight, and it definitely means a lot to us. And as you guys know, we did see a major or significant dip the past few days when the Omicron virus variant came out, and of course it led to this dip that brought Bitcoin to $40,000 or $53,000. And of course, lows of every other cryptocurrency, even XRP was down low. We're talking that 92, 93 cents range. Cardano below $1.50, guys. Cardano, the one that was $3 was below $1.50. It was more like $1.30. And so, of course, we've seen this major dip. Now, thankfully, the market is recovering. I do want to quickly say I've sold nothing, absolutely nothing. I'm holding till the end, so we're going to see how this market rolls out. But I just thought this would be a very important video to inform you guys about this because it is some breaking news. That being said, if we go back to the charts, and the best person for that type of stuff I have to say has to be Blockchain Backer, and he actually made a video discussing that. But in this he says, as discussed in today's video, at the end of 2013 and 2017's Bitcoin bull run, we saw the same phenomenon occur as we are seeing in 2021. If this level is to hold, like in 2013 and 2017, we can see the most epic of bull runs for the altcoin market as we did in those years. So of course, this is Bitcoin to USD, and if you have a quick look, this is where we are. We've seen that dip right there from highs. We've seen a sudden dip right here, and this is where we are right now. Once again, here's another image from 2013 Bitcoin. So it says Bitcoin pulls below all-time high after recovery from 50% crash, which is right here. And then altcoin markets go on a dominating surge, which is this yellow line right here. And you guys can see the altcoin market just flew to highs that nobody ever had thought. And this could be what we're looking at now. In 2017, same idea happened. We've seen that idea where there was a wait, and then the altcoin market all of a sudden shot up after a Bitcoin decrease. Of course, Bitcoin right now is doing the exact same pattern. We'll go ahead and have a quick look at Bitcoin itself. So we are mostly around this area now. As you guys can see at the Bitcoin chart right here, we can see the exact same pattern. Bitcoin is on an increase. You're going to have a bit of a standstill, and this is the start here of the Bitcoin alt season to explode. And of course, same idea here. We see the increase, we see the stability, and then you see the altcoin market skyrocket. And this is, I think, what we're looking at now. We're going to see Bitcoin kind of put a pause motion right there, maybe hit that 60 grand, then pause, and then we're going to see those alt market caps, those alt market coins, altcoins are going to fly to the sky, mainly being XRP, hopefully ADA as well with that, and all of the other cryptocurrencies out there. So I'm really excited to announce that as well. It looks very positive for the crypto market. Again, there's always those economic scares that go out there, like the new COVID variant, and like all of the other economic factors that will play into those charts that might modify them. But again, right now the path looks not too bad. There is still lots of potential, and I can't wait to see you guys all smashing that like button so we can go ahead and hit our 8,000 subscribers. So subscribe as well. Nonetheless, guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm not a financial or legal advisor, so this is not financial or legal advice, but I'll see you guys next time. That being said, guys, I do want to mention one last thing. I was going to end it off here, but it turns out I want to mention one last thing for you guys. So I recently bought a helium miner, and I'm going to start mining cryptocurrencies. I thought I'd let you guys know this now. Would you guys like me to make a video where I go through the process and then show you guys exactly how much money I made from mining cryptocurrencies? I think it'd be a really great idea to kind of get you guys into the feel. Of course, we are all invested into cryptocurrencies, especially XRP, but I truly believe you guys are going to want to see the crypto mining side of things. It's different, completely different. There are going to be days where you make lots of profit and days where you don't make any, and then there's going to be, of course, trying to repay what you paid into your investment. So you're going to want to repay the machine. I'm going to tell you guys how much it takes in electricity. I'm going to tell you guys, is it worth it or is it not? And personally, what I think of that machine that I have right now that is currently mining on a day-to-day basis. We'll also go into why it's not possible, or in fact, is it possible to go ahead and mine XRP or ADA or XLM or all of these other main cryptocurrencies. Specifically though, I want to go into XRP and what I plan to do with my miner. Hopefully that's going to start making me XRP. So it's going to be one very crazy video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it. I'm putting in so much work into it, and hopefully I'll be able to release it very, very soon. That being said, guys, I want to thank you guys all for almost hitting 8,000 subscribers. We are very, very close. 7,960 subscribers, and hopefully I'm going to be able to come back on the grind. I've been very busy with school. Me and my partner have been doing absolutely as much as we can to try and get a video out. but it is taking quite some time. That being said, guys, thank you guys so much. Again, we appreciate everybody that watches, that smashes the like button, and that supports the channel overall. We also have our Twitter link down below, our Instagram, and our Discord. Again, our Twitter is where we're most active on. We're always posting, even when we're busy. We go on during work, during school, to put at least a tweet out for you guys so that you guys know exactly what is happening in the market. So if there's one thing that you want to do, that is to subscribe to this channel as well as follow us on Twitter and Instagram. I sometimes post, but I'll be posting a lot more often for you guys, and Discord. So join all the platforms down below, and if you want to top everything up and you want to be the most OG follower, you guys can join the channel here. It's $4.99, so it's not much, but it definitely helps me out and shows me how many of you guys really like the content. I'll also be trying to post some exclusives once we get a few members in. I'll post an exclusive video for you guys. Nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.